Here's how to save references to your Zotero library. Open Zotero and your web browser. In order for Zotero to work with your browser, you will need to have installed the Zotero connector. Watch our video about installing Zotero for instructions on setting up the connector in Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Zotero doesn't work with Microsoft Edge or Internet Explorer. Okay, we've got Zotero running and our web browser open. Go to the library website as usual and search the same way you normally would. Let's click on a source I want to save. At the top of my browser, there's a Zotero button that I can click to save a reference. I'm using Chrome in this video. If you're in Firefox or Safari, it may be in a different place on your screen, but it'll look pretty similar and it works the same way in all three browsers. This button changes appearance depending on what you're looking at. For example, it'll turn into a blue book icon if you're looking at a book reference in the library catalog, or a white article if you're viewing an article citation in a database. All I need to do is click the button and the citation saves to my Zotero library. If I have a collection selected in my library, it saves there. So here's what it's saved: the author, title, publication information, everything I need to cite. It doesn't save it in any specific style, it's just saving the information. I'll choose a different reference, then just click the button and save. If I notice anything that's wrong, I can just click on the reference and edit it in Zotero. What's happening here is that Zotero scans the pages I'm viewing in my browser to see if they have any citation information available. Zotero can recognize nearly every library database, and it works the same way with many other sites like many newspaper sites, Amazon, YouTube, and Wikipedia. I can also save multiple references at one time. If I go back to my list of search results, you'll see that my Save button has changed from a book or article icon to a folder. This appears when I'm on a page with more than one reference available. When I click it, instead of just saving a single reference, I get a list of all the references on the page, and I can check off the ones I want to save. Whenever it can, Zotero will save a PDF of articles and attach it along with the citation. It works better with some databases than with others, and it depends on what the library has available, but Zotero will also search for open access PDFs and attach it if it can find one. You can always save a PDF separately and drag it from your desktop onto a reference to attach it.